So thankfully, it's nice and warm. It's summertime here in the UK, but it has made me think just how much we rely on our cars in the winter and just the demand that we put on the batteries, specifically things like your heated seats. You generally got the lights on more, your wiper blades going to clear the rain, all the rest, heated steering wheel. And I got a product today. I'm going to get straight into it. I'm not going to talk much right now, but I'm going to show you something quite special. Have a look at this first, and then I'm going to talk you through all the sort of sciencey stuff of why I believe this product is absolutely fundamental when the weather ain't so good. So installation is an absolute doddle. Just find a nice little place away from any moving parts and use the cable ties that come with it to secure the super starter in place. Slacken off your battery terminal bolts and then just insert the little spade crimps behind them. Make sure you get it the right way round. Tighten the nut back up again. And that's it. Let's just test it out. Not bad. What I can tell you is when I turned the ignition on there, that to me sounded a lot faster. There was more of a punch. It sounded a stronger turn to the starter motor because I've got that current, which is going from the ANCEL battery saver. And just to prove it, I'm gonna put the microphone down by the starter in the engine bay. So this is with the ANCEL Super Starter, and if you listen to the note when I turn the engine compared to when I disconnect it, you should hear that it's slightly slower. Okay, now I'm going to disconnect the ANCEL Super Starter. So that's it disconnected. I'll start the engine again and listen to the change in the speed of the starter motor. The microphone back here. Let's test it on the Range Rover. Again, there's loads of room in here. I can easily just pop that somewhere neatly behind there, connect out the cables, and that's it. That's all you need to do. It's a 5-minute job. So first of all, let's start the car and hear how it sounds without the ANCEL Super Starter. And we'll see if there's a difference, just like the Mercedes with the tone of the starter. The microphone here. Now, let's connect up the ANCEL Super Starter. Easy as that. I'll put my microphone down here and let's see how she sounds now with the ANCEL Super Starter connected. Lead acid battery, AGM. So the lead acid battery, if you have a listen, you can hear the liquid inside, the water, etc. It's going to go between the plates and it charges up through the anode and cathode, positive and the negative. The AGM battery, or absorbent glass mats, these are far more common these days, especially with our start-stop type of vehicles. But it comes with, unfortunately, a little bit of detrimental side effects on these type of batteries. So when you start the car, depending on the vehicle you've got, you're using anywhere between about 150 amps and 400 amps of current to basically turn the engine over via the starter motor. And the current is fundamental. It's basically just Ohm's law, which is the voltage over the resistance. But here's the thing, in my experience, do I think start-stop is a good thing? Actually, I don't. I really don't. Yes, go on about the environment, etc., and all the rest. But physics will tell you that you can neither create nor destroy energy. What do I mean by that? Well, if you're starting and stopping your car all the time, there's going to be components that your car relies on whilst the engine is ticking over. Cooling is a massive one, for example. Plus the fact if you are starting and stopping, you're going to physically wear out components faster in my mind, i.e. your starter motor, i.e. your battery. So on the terms of environmentalness, you're actually going to be buying more batteries and buying more components for your car, potentially. Now between the lead acid batteries and the AGM batteries, I know this is bigger, but these are generally dearer, they're more expensive. It's the more modern type of battery. But unlike the lead acid battery, the AGM battery has a bit of a flaw, which is sulfication from undercharging. And so what I mean by that is if a lead acid battery becomes low in charge, you can still charge it up and it will work just fine. Once the battery on an AGM gets to a really low discharge level, the sulfates in that battery, you get little lead sulfate crystals that settle on that glass mat separator, and unfortunately that can cause irreversible sulfication. What you then probably find happens is the charging becomes slower and the battery gets hotter. And here's the thing, if you're using a start-stop setup on your car, it doesn't get a full charge. You need about at least 10 or 15 minutes at motorway speed, sort of 60 mile an hour and above, to really give your chance for your battery to charge up. And if you're just popping down the shop, start, stop, and then you're in traffic lights during that journey, this poor battery here is never going to get back to its full charge. One of the other fundamental flaws of an AGM battery is they're very susceptible to heat. And in the summer, we don't usually use as much in the way of power, but in the engine bay, things get really hot in there. And again, start-stop journeys, these batteries get far hotter than they should do. So, with all that said, where does the ANCEL engine superstarter BS400 come into it? So just to point out, it's not going to fix your battery if it's already got damage, but what it will do is significantly increase the power moving forward that your battery is then going to have. And because your battery is going to be fully charged pretty much all the time, it will make jump starting a thing of the past, simply obsolete. The ANCEL BS400, black and red, positive, negative. You get some crocodile clips just to hold them on temporarily if you're just wanting to try the unit out. A couple of tie wraps to secure it in place neatly. It's suitable for 12 volt and 24 volt cars, and it explains very clearly here that the product adopts a new type of super capacitor. So this here is going to charge the energy, but yet it's low resistance, but with a very high power density. Once charged, it then releases that energy to start the car, and it has a patented super capacitor control circuit. For the lights here, it shows you if the drainage is low, full charging, and it also has an online or offline Bluetooth identification. On the end here, there's a little USB-C because you can actually charge this off the vehicle. It takes very little current to charge this up, but once it's charged, you've got that all-important high capacitor output. This then flashes away and turns green once it's fully charged. And here you go, it's now topped up to full charge. It doesn't take long, it takes about maybe 15 or 20 minutes or so when you're using a USB charger. And it's a little bit quicker, I've found, when it's on the car. It's going to take the charge from your battery. And that is really how simple it is. It's one of those items where you just plug in and forget about it. It does 100,000 cycles. That's around about 26 years that it says that this can provide in terms of assistance to your battery. You simply close the hood. You don't need to then go and check the battery because you've got that all-important app that you can see on your phone. And on that app, you can check the battery level, the charging status, but it also gives you additional features directly appropriate to the Superstarter, such as force start option, which increases the current for your car to start the starter motor even more. So let's give that a go. So force start, after clicking force start, start the engine immediately. The sooner, the better. Let's give that a go. Force start. 10 seconds, 9 seconds. And you can see that it says starter successful. from that false start, it's used a lot more current, 82%, 84%. It's already charging right the way back up. You've got detailed starting data, discharge current, voltage, and the energy output. And if there's any anomalies that are detected, then the app will notify you straight away. Have a look in the description. With a bit of luck, we're going to get some promotional codes to get you a little discount as well. Let's move on, 'cause it's time to move